welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make souffle cheesecake. That Japanese fluffy, jiggly souffle type cheesecake is easier than you think. Let's get started. These are what you need to make this size 15 centimeter diameter cheesecake. 200 gram or half pound cream cheese, 50 milliliter milk, 20 gram butter, 30 gram all-purpose flour, 60 gram sugar, and 3 eggs. Let's separate the eggs. Three egg yolks and 3 egg white. Cream cheese, butter, and milk in a pot. Heat it up over low heat to melt cream cheese completely, but make sure it doesn't get too hot. If it's too hot, when you add egg yolks, it will coagulate, so make sure it's not too hot. Nice and creamy and no lumpy cream cheese left. And it's not too hot so that I can touch the bottom of the pot. Let's take it off the heat. In here, I'm adding egg yolks, all at once. Mix it well. And also flour. Let's shift it in. And give it a nice mix. Nice and creamy. Let's put it aside. Let's put egg white and sugar in another large bowl. And let's beat this until it's nice and fluffy. This is not enough. Now I can create a soft peak. Like this. So this is good enough. I'm adding 1/3 of the egg white into this cream cheese mixture. For the intermix. And then this into here. And again, fold it in until it's even. It's evenly mixed, so let's pour it into the mold. Parchment paper inside the mold, and if your mold is like this, the bottom side can come off, cover outside the mold with aluminum foil. I'm going to bake this in a hot bath. You don't want any hot water going into your cheesecake. Now, let's pour this into the mold. And let's drop this on the tabletop to remove any possible air pocket. 2 to 3 times. And it's time to bake. Prepare a pot or deep dish that your mold can fit in. Let's put some hot water and make sure it doesn't go into the cheesecake. It's about halfway of the cheesecake. I'm going to bake this for 1 hour over 100 degrees Celsius and then 10 to 15 minutes over 160 degrees Celsius. It's been baked for 75 minutes total and it's looking like this. Now, let's take it out from the hot bath, cool it down to room temperature and chill overnight in the fridge. The cheesecake I made yesterday is completely chilled, so let's remove the parchment paper. Let's cut and serve. When you're cutting cakes, any cakes, it's easier to cut using warm and clean knife. So prepare a glass of hot water, knife, and paper towel. And every time you cut, you rinse the knife using this hot water, wipe it, and then cut. Let's warm it up a little bit. Dry and cut. and Japanese souffle type cheesecake is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!